Hey everyone, and welcome to another Pumpkin Abbey Halloween edition. So today we're going to start setting up the yard haunt. We always set up right here in the portico through the end of September through the 1st of October. Then throughout October we slowly put out more, out there. But for today, we'll be setting up in here. Now we're ready. We've already set up the witches in the window, minus Elizabeth there in the center. We're still using the AC that's in that window. Hopefully it'll cool down soon and we can get her back in there. Okay then, let's get started. So then here is a nighttime view of what we've got so far. And of course, there's a lot to add before the big night. So check back often and we'll keep you updated. Thanks for coming by and we'll see you next time.